chi oyirwa onuni dake otuno piera boru we abi ame gwejo choke tum ame otuno ngene akela bore putbo kelele me biru matu dilo otiu dir moro
for watching Lango News channel.
The only person that had the capability to defeat President Museveni was G. McKenna. So if G. McKenna is not there, then President Museveni takes the day. That one is not even, will not require any mathematics. Because when you say it is Mabirizi, can Mabirizi be president of Uganda? No. So if McKenna fails, now we need to vote wisely and task President Museveni to deliver for our people. If we now need roads and he's the president, we need to put him to task to ensure that they tarmac our road from Namasale to Dokulu. We need to put him to task to ensure that they upgrade Amonakara Center 4 to a district hospital. We need to put him to task to ensure that there is stability in the lake, such that the people living along the lake shore can benefit from the God-given gift of the lake. So, to me, when it comes to issues of president, I want to state that if G. McKenna is not there, then I would request my people that we don't need to bring a learner, somebody who is ideologically bankrupt. Is not, their party is not having any ideology at all that they follow. At least there are parties that are well oriented ideologically. DP, UPC, and NRM. So if DP is not there, if UPC is not there, then because of experience and respect that has been earned across the globe, President Museveni takes the day. So, but we continue to pray for our president so that he gets justice. If justice is denied, let's look for opportunity such that we can dialogue for the good of this country. Dialogue is open, and our president for a long time has been a strong advocate of dialogue for coexistence. We can dialogue such that as UPC, we clean our house, we prepare for 2031. After all, Mzee Museveni is getting old. By 2031, he will be 85 years. So, or even more. But for this election, if UPC is not there, people should not waste votes where there are no votes. People should give votes where it is due, where it is necessary, where it is okay for the future of this country. And that is the president in power. Thank you.
Kaya midunne kutuan minuroro. Kau roro doi ya chuj. Bi wuri buku be bukanyiri. Kaya kuni buku be bukanyiri urora kayi. Lala mita kubi wuni. Ochi kuroro ni kereliri dokye. Endali ibiye kunu bi mokabi. Yari pia de via shell yiri de no wale dwana kana borde ma ko dwane kui de jala ni wa mi to kui o mi to nendo ni be o balo kui o bolo kui kana kui do ro be ye loni yere ana mere di winyuru ma ana me mere di duwa akala kono be bajembe pola ero tiu gire petia duongo twal ela anwa dia tamoni wa waro tim beyiko yowa ajalo party mero engi ko muchua tiere inu muni obi wen pero mela nyopiro mo pe nadala ma famila pero mela nyopiro mo pe namikado. Wano kore yingiri kona kari itim walit. Wano timigire ber. Eto mitugina ber pilwa kamo la ta. Eka wana chalo yome pati timigina utu na yiko yorwa bila chil. Eka yariyo bila drebi ya jel. Eka tingwa amewa tikere mare kome. Teka toa, teka moloi. Mwa dungi dede utiuko. Kumera dungo. Adungu di yango miyo nyayo. Nako di ke miyo nyayo nwe nito. Amani ugana tiato kayo. Ika yariyo pia drebi ya jel mu Uganda ndo hapungu motos. Eka yore kwa nyapungu motos me Uganda. Eka rupeke chianga la bore. Ate miro kutu ka rupeke. Kono wa Uganda. Wani nye pungu waka hitame winya. Ami ka legdi ni una beya bela chie. Ni una kol bela chie. Ewa kuira biro ni alcohol. Kita beya bedong chen.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.